The BI-ZTU is Brookhaven's Autotitrator accessory for the NanoBrook family of zeta potential and particle size analyzers. The ZTU is ideal for analysis of zeta potential as a function of pH and can be used to automate determination of the isoelectric point of various molecules. 4 metering pumps provide much flexibility for optimizing reagent use. In addition to pH autotitrations, the ZTU can also be used with additive titrations and can support a variety of different additives including surfactants, salts, and macromolecules. The Brookhaven Instruments ZTU allows for the dropwise addition of up to 4 titrants. The drop volume for each microfluidic metering pump is measured, and each of the 4 metering pumps is factory calibrated on the basis of drop size or drop volume. During a titration, the sample is stirred continuously in the sample holder. Stirring is achieved via a impeller system The ZTU impeller can be easily started and stopped from within our particle solution software. Our software contains a titrator control panel that can be used to manually invoke a variety of ZTU functions, including priming pumps, calibrating the pH electrode, and manually invoking the fill or empty and/or circulate commands. The ZTU uses a conventional pH electrode, which is supplied with the unit. The software supports either 2-point or 3-point calibration, although the latter option is more common and is typically done using pH 4, 7, and 10 standards. The pH probe can then be inserted into the top of the ZTU and immersed in the sample. Sample is loaded into the sample holder, which can then be secured to the ZTU. Once the ZTU reaches a new set point, it pumps the sample from the sample holder into the ZTU flow cell, which resides inside of the NanoBrook during the titration. Taking the place of a standard 1 cm cuvette, when an individual measurement is completed, the flow cell is automatically emptied and the sample is pumped back into the sample holder under continuous stirring. The results of the titration can then be displayed using Brookhaven's Particle Solutions software or exported into a wide variety of formats for use in various scientific graphing packages. To summarize, the ZTU can be used to automate titrations with acids, bases, salts, and surfactants. Titrants are dispensed into the sample holder using up to 4 versatile low-volume metering pumps. The sample is stirred via our impeller system. Overall, the ZTU is a flexible, compact system that can be used for automating titration experiments and is intended for use with Brookhaven's NanoBrook family of instruments.